To copy an estimate to a purchase order in QuickBooks Online, the estimate's status must be either accepted or pending, but not closed. You must also have enabled purchase orders within the expenses category in the settings window in your company file. Additionally, you can only copy items which you purchase from a vendor from an estimate to a purchase order. These include inventory items, as well as services and non-inventory items for which you checked the I purchased this from a vendor checkbox when you created the items. Individual components from a bundle item will appear separately if possible, according to this same rule. To copy the items from an accepted or pending estimate to a new purchase order in QuickBooks Online, click the Estimates link under the Customer Hub app in the All Apps bar to open the Estimates page. Then, click the drop-down under the Desired Estimates Action column and select the Copy to Purchase Order command. QuickBooks Online then immediately copies all the qualifying items from the estimate to a new purchase order. To delete any line items you don't need from the line items area in this new purchase order, click the trash can icon at the right end of the desired line items. Then double-check each remaining line item's costing information to ensure its accuracy. To assign the costs for line item amounts to a customer or project, select the desired customer or project from the Customer Project columns drop-down menu. Then select the desired vendor from the Vendor drop-down at the top of the form and fill out the remaining fields in the purchase order as needed. Then save and send it as usual. You can repeat this process to create as many purchase orders as you need to send to the different vendors associated with the estimate and edit each one as needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.